This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a box plot in SPSS. Before I actually make the box plot, I want to point out it's extremely important for box plots that you have entered your data correctly and that you have defined your variables. Box plots will only work if you have a scale variable and a nominal variable. Go back to my data view. My scale variable is my age, and my nominal variable is what type of healthcare the person has. If you haven't defined your variables or you don't know how to define these variables, then check out my previous video on how to enter data into SPSS. Click the Graphs tab, click Chart Builder. If this box shows up, it's just reminding you that you need to define those variables. So click OK. In the Chart Builder window, look at the bottom left for Boxplot. When you click Boxplot, these icons will show up. I'm just going to choose a simple box plot and move that up to the chart preview area. I'm going to put my nominal variable in the x-axis and my scale variable in the y-axis. Click OK, and SPSS has created that box plot for me. The box plot shows the minimum and the maximum at the end of the whiskers. The actual box in the center is the interquartile range, and this line is the median. That's how to create a box plot in SPSS. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.